Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Andy Reid mask reviews. Well guys, this video will help you know whether this product is legit or a scam one. If you have not purchased this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to this question. Should I buy Andy Reid mask or not? Moreover, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, watch our video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before I share the way, let's find out some essential details about the product. Well guys, here you can see this is the picture of product. It is Andy Reid mask. As you can see, the half face of Andy Reid is made on this mask. Friends, this mask is gaining a lot of popularity among the online shoppers. People are buying these masks. Moving further, I will talk about the product information and I will tell you more about the specification of the product along with its legitimacy checkpoints because they are essential to know as if you are going to buy any new product. But guys, before I share all those essential points, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, here you can look for the product information guys. This is a non-medical mask. It helps you express yourself even when you can't show your face as it already has a face of Andy Reid. It is a 2-layer mask made up of 95% polyester and 5% spandex fabric with sublimation print on the outside layer. Here you can look at the mask size. It is 7.25 inches into 4.6 inches / 16.5 into 11.5 centimeter with over-ear elastic straps for a snug fit over the mouth and nose. Each ear strap is 7 inches / 17.70 centimeter. It's the largest size available on the site. You can use the face mask after every wash the face mask after every use. It can be used by anyone who is age 13 and older. Guys, this product should not be used by or placed on anyone who has trouble breathing or who is unconscious, incapacitated or otherwise unable to remove the mask without assistance, including children under age 3. So you have to keep some cautious while wearing the mask. Guys, as you can see, this website has shown customer reviews. There are more than 150 positive customer reviews on the product. Guys, all these customer reviews according to these customer reviews, this mask has been gaining popularity and people have given 5-star rating to the mask. Also guys, the website which is selling this product is around 16 years old. This website was initiated on 2004. But guys, looking at the customer reviews, we did not found a single customer review on the product. But guys, the same product is available on multiple websites with different prices. So if I talk about the price of the product, it's $12.49 according to this website, and if you buy the product in bulk, like if you buy the product in 4+ quantities, you will get the product at $10 almost. So guys, the websites I have gone through are selling this product at $14 or $15, which is quite more than the price available on this site. So guys, if you are looking for a different kind of website, different kind of mask that will help you express your feelings, even your face is covered, you can go for this mask. But as I already told you, this is non-medical face mask. So if you are looking for some 3-layer mask with easy breathable feature, this mask will not work for you. Overall guys, I would like to say that this mask has gained popularity, but it is not, but no more customer reviews are available and you will not find social media presence of this mask. Overall, I would like to say that if you have purchased this product, share your experience about the product with us as we are not able to find more about its legitimacy. I hope guys you have liked this video. So now it's time to share the way to get your money back. Please visit the link which is given in the description box, view the link properly, comment your thoughts over this video. Guys, please like our video and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends.